Steigeisen 1.5 meter disc launch glider. Long came as an almost complete kit which was missing original parts, flying horizontal stab pivots, and the wing servos were not working. This meant it needed a Frankenstein build. I built a conventional horizontal stab and pillar, mounted it under the fuselage using spring pull for elevator and rudder. I also mounted aileron servos in the nose and added linkages through the fuselage and out to the DIY control horns epoxy to the inner ends of the flaperons. It's running PTK servos on a 2S400mAh battery with a Radiomaster ER6G receiver, ram linkages through the fuselage to DIY control horns, epoxy mounted on the inner ends of the flaperons, electronics, servos, PTK for all control surfaces, power, 2S400mAh LiPo battery, receiver, Radiomaster ER6G. Result, a functional, albeit unconventional, DLG with reliable control surfaces and a unique servo layout.
When are you ready, Sol? Good. Good.
Cool.